Hello guys, welcome back to our new video, and today we are going to cover the dashboards inside Go High Level, that what kind of dashboards are being provided by Go High Level, and let's see that how they are helpful to us. So let's move towards GHL screen.
Okay guys, so now we are inside Go High Level and let's see that what kind of reports GHL tells us. And from the word reports, let's first visit the reporting folder inside Go High Level, which is appearing right here. And inside this folder, you can see that we are viewing the report of all the calendars that tells us that how many appointments have been booked, how many appointments have been cancelled, and everything's like this: booked, confirmed, cancelled, new, short, no show, involved, rescheduled. Means all of the appointments are here. Here I have currently selected all calendars, and you can also select the specific date or the limit of the month, so that you can view only the appointments of the dates of your required dates. Okay, and here you can see there are analytics as well, that appointments booked by 5 lead and user is one, means user, I am the user. Okay, and then source is booking widget, which is available on the website. And then what are the outcomes is confirmed that customer have booked 6 appointments, so all of them has been confirmed that yes, we are involved and we want the meeting. Okay, here are the calendars that have been used in the bookings. Okay, booking by the users, and then owners, and these are all the dashboards that are helpful for us to understand the whole system, the whole business. Okay, that in which direction our business is floating. And here you can see at the end, you can see the list that what customers or who were the best customers who booked our appointments. So after that, we will move inside the marketing. Inside the marketing, you can see here is a written called emails, and emails tells us that how many emails are being sent, how many emails have been opened, which is known as open rate. If you have listened this word before, open rate means that how many emails have been opened by the user. And then you also have listen about the reply rate. Reply rate means that how many customers have opened the email, they have read your email, and then how many customers have replied to you. Okay, so all of these things are viewed here. Like here you can see all the campaigns. All the campaigns mean all the emails that are being sent from all the campaigns. You can select some specific campaigns from here as well, and here you are going to create new campaigns. Okay, so here you can see that delivered means that how many emails have been delivered and how many emails have been opened. This is the delivered rate, this is the open rate. Okay, here you can see 92 emails have been delivered and one bounce. Bounce means that email has not been reached to its destination. So this is only one, and open rate is 3.26. Okay, open rate means that how many customers have been opened through your email and things like that. And you can see the graph as well, which is showing us that what email have been opened on what date, or how many customers and how many emails have been delivered, and means all the things are here. After that, you can see the emails as well, that email 4.2, which is delivered 2 times, open rate is 50, click rate, and everything is here. After that, the last thing here is that the view, or you can say the graphs created by our AI bots. Okay, and here if I move to the voice AI, it will show me the records of all the agents. But if I select some specific agent, I can do that as well. For example, here I have collected Jessica, and here I can see that how many total calls have been made, how many workflows have been run by Jessica, and sentiment analysis, whether it is positive, negative, or like that. Calls completed, our graph will show upon here as well, that how many calls has been completed or reached to their destination, the total duration, average call duration, and then the agent name, that like how many clients has been called by our bot. Okay, so this is the graph by bot as well. And if you want to see some specific, you can say the graph by inside any bot. So you will select the bot, and after selecting it, you will simply move towards dashboard and log. So it will only show you the information related to that specific bot as well. So this is all from my side for in today's video related to the analytics and dashboard that are shown by GHL. And I hope you understand this well, but I really want that you guys should explore these things by yourself as well. So this is all from my side, and let's see you in our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.